Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password in case you have lost your Gmail password or hijacked by someone. Now, you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that easily you can the rescue of your Gmail password. Don't worry. I will show you best status to rescue of your Gmail password without having the recovery email and the recovery phone, so don't skip ahead. Every step is very crucial. Unfortunately, this area has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now, he was not in a position to rescue his Gmail password. Now, also he doesn't have recovery email and recovery phone so that easily he attempted by a normal method, by a general method, but he got fiasco. Why? Simply because it thinks that by a normal method that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be show that this account is really yours. Yes, Google asks for this info to keep your account secure. So these accounts recovery can be possible when answer as many questions as you can, or yes, use a device where you have signed in before. That is that if your account is managed with any alternative email we don't have, so we quit all options and we will try to generate more options. So let's see how easily this can be rescued. Just we will come to Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we have one browser, that is this FaceLime, the web browser. Just we will go for installation and let it install. So it has started to install. Total size is approximately 108 MB. Now here, what we will do, just we will come in FaceLime the Google to, of course, we will have to hold a Google search browser and we will. So these all changes is very crucial. You will have to apply on any smartphone device and this will be effectively functional to rescue of your. So just Gmail password. Now here, just we will make it off. After coming app input to notification, make it disable, and thereupon we will have no permissions to. You will have a location option. Just we will make it the precise location option. So navigation will not be easy to navigate it. Now here, see. Click on here. So if you click on here, then the function that if you deny this permission, the basic features of your device may no longer the function as intended. Fine for timings I'm doing this, guys. So just we will close it. Don't allow. Then we will have to back one more times and yes, one more times here. Check it out the permissions. So remove permissions and from this position that's what we are disables. And upon yes, we will come to once again back and here you will have option open by default. Check it out in that open supported links that should be disabled at all. Now everything has been disabled from here. Yes, check it out how many browser you are using. Should we have also here the Chrome, so hold it, apply a similar status. So just we will come on here and tap on this notifications, make it disable, and the upon occurs. Once again we will have to come in a special permissions to yes, make it the customized to especially precise location and click here, don't allow, no longer the function is intended. That's it has notified files from the space. Just make it stupid things, don't have enabled, just it should be disabled anyhow. So guys, so now it has disabled. So now they will come in especially here and we'll have to come in the Play Store and here for 9% is available in the install. Let it complete installations and upon the further we will go for what will be our best status to other rescue efforts. Assure you, of course, without having the recovery email and the recovery phones, easily this area can be the rescue, but it's a little bit taking time to the complete installers, and maybe especially the networks speed, internet speed is not quite good here, so that's why I have the problems. Don't worry, let it complete, then of course the further we will go for her. It's a little bit taking times, don't worry. We will have to wait here, guys. Let it complete installations and upon of course then we will go for just it's taking a little bit times to installations. Let's see yes, it has reached on the 71% is means 30% is the remains. Of course we will have to wait, guys, and because of it, especially it's going to make land the video because of 2-3 the people who has recommended to others today's show. I decided to make tutorial on it, but use it, don't misuse. Yes, you will have to learn and use your own risk of your emails on it. Still 50% is especially in the returnings. We will have to wait here. Yes, now 14% is returnings. See, complete, it will be installed, and thereupon we will have option here to the highlight, to the open it. So just waiting for it, guys. Almost there, especially here. Yes, completed. Now see, 95% is completed. Now some only one says scarcely, and the 5% is remaining. So we will have to wait here. Almost we have done, guys. 97 means of course 100% we have completed. Now it will initiate to the install it. So let's see what's going to happen. Still it's taking times to the installations. Now see, it has initiated, so it has installed now. You can tap, so of course you can tap on it, and we will have to accept to go for started. Started to, we will go for next, and next to, of course we will go for her, we will go for her. Yes, we will go for her, we will go for her, and thereupon of course we are on her. Now here in the search bar, just we will have to write Google, of course, right here, ZL Sure. We go for her. So now it has initiated to here. Yes, we will wait here, wait here. Now that we come on here, just we will pick these ones. We will pick two. We'll have options to the silence. So now we are on here. Just we will write to the particular ID, and thereupon of course we will have to tap to next or tap on next. Now when we click on here, now here is the options in that, especially forgot password. We don't have a password, so now see how many options there. It's a givings. Yes, we don't have a mobile, especially this, maybe decided logged with this especially. So now we will go for try another, because it's asking last password. We don't have last password, guys, so how can I attempt on this options? Now here we can see here is asking this phone, this ID has been registered with this phone number, so you can verify, and of course you can risk of your email, you can reset of your email. Either you have phone number, then yes, either you have phone number or not. Here if you have, so then text or call and get OTP and upon the rescue. But here is the option that we don't have due to losing of device. So just we will click here, don't have. So we click on a don't have, so then we can see here more tips to other rescue. This account still opportunities giving to other rescue. More options you can have. How many option has been given? Answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where you have the shine in the before. And the third is that, yes, the third is that if your account is managed with the family link or alternative email. And then we have the send emails to you, the parents to the change your password we don't have, sure. Don't click on anything here. Don't click on any options. More tips to the rest of this account, but we will take these options as an opportunity by tapping on a setting. Setting to what we will do here. Just you will have options, Google services and the preferences. Where can I get here? Yes, now when we tap on it, you will be directly on here, and thereupon yes, we will click on a help option. So yes, you will be landed here, and upon here just we will have to in the help search bar hacked Gmail recovery. So by the making excuses or excuses or especially it's a fact that now secure the hacked or the recovery. On that we will have to click. Now we have an option here that review your account activities, and here we can see yes, find out if your account has been hacked, and we will tap on it, and when we tap on it, then yes, we will come on here, just that is this steps to the can the risk of it. Yes, in this can. So now we will come on here, make it confirms that we are on a there are the various kind of the recovery page. Yes, Yeah, just we will have to pick this recovery page where it is written that what if I concerns. Yes, create a replacement Google accounts are saying that are getting locked out of your Gmail account. If the two option is a connection, then we'll scroll and here is the recovery page. When we tap on it, then it would be directly transferred to the recovery page. And don't do anything, just tap on one clicks. This ID will be automatically recommended. Tap to next and see magically it will be recovered, guys. Yes, we will have to wait. Now it has recovered. What do you say, guys? How is this can with rescue? So don't worry if you lost a Gmail password hacked by someone or hijacked easily by execution of similar status. Of course you can the rescue of it. And if you are unable to execute, if you are not in the positions to the rescue, then of course leave or drop your Gmail, especially in the comment box of this tutorial. Of course I will guide you to rescue of ads. Or if you are unable, then of course I will rescue from my side for you especially. Don't worry. And I will deliver to you, but you should have no objections to a disclosure ID on these channels then. So now here is we have two options. One is a continue, second is update password. So don't go on a continue, otherwise maybe you will be verified by its verify you option. So don't click on here, just we will tap on a special update password, and here is a strong opportunity to create the strong password, confirm password. Go for save it, don't skip it. And after 17 you will have to go in Google account management to security, and there add a recovery email first. After adding the recovery email, then we can remove old recovery phone number that was added or maybe especially was linked by shimmers. So I will remove, and if we able to easily add a recovery phone number, and this ID will be permanently secured. This thing I cannot show you guys, and this is privacy concern option of my viewer especially. Here as recommended, there are a lot of the data, and that is our data of the privacy especially. So thank you very much indeed, and thank you for staying the tail end of this tutorial. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with a step-by-step new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share in this content. Thank you. It really supports us or supports in the channels. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.